Alright, kindergarten, we are going to be practicing the letter I. So can you get your whiteboards and markers so we can practice writing the letter I when we hear it in one of these words, these pictures. Alright, I'm going to say the name of the picture, and if we hear the I sound, what sound does I make? Dot it, And so this I up here is Iggy the iguana. Does that start with an I? Do you hear I when I say Iggy or iguana? Yes. So I can say I, long I sound, or I can say right? And is it a vowel or is it a consonant? It is a vowel. You're right. Let's look at these pictures. Pig. Do we hear the I sound when we say pig? Pig. Yes, we hear it in the beginning, middle, or end. We hear it in the middle. So we are going to put an I. Oops. So we are going to write the capital I. So let's go one line down, go to the top, cross over, go to the bottom, cross over, and then short little I is dotted line and dotted. Pig. Good. Let's look at this. What is that? It is a fish. Fish. Do we hear the I sound or any I noise in fish? Yes, we hear it in the middle, right? We have the beginning f, middle I, and then the blend of sh, sh. So let's go ahead and make a capital I. Whoop. Good. Pin, like push pin. Not a pen like you write with, but a push pin. Do we hear the I sound? We do. It's in the middle, right? We hear pin. So let's go ahead and put a capital I and a lowercase I. All right, look at this. Everybody knows what that is. That is a cat. Yes, cat. Do I hear any I in cat? Nope. Let's put an X. We do not hear anything. All right, over here, what do we see? Oh, it is a ruler, right? But they are wanting us to see that there is an inch. This is an inch up here. Do we hear the I sound in inch? We do. Is it the beginning, middle, or end? It's at the beginning, so I want everyone to write another I on their whiteboards. And then we hear the I where in this word inch. Yep, we hear it in the beginning, inch. Good. This last picture, ship, ship. Do we hear an I in ship? Yes, at the beginning we hear sh, sh, right? In the middle we hear the I, and at the end we hear p, as in p, ship. So I want everyone on their whiteboards to write another I, capital I, lowercase I. Good. So we had to write I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Good job. All right, you can cap your markers and erase your whiteboards and get out your reader's notebook.